YouTube? You know what time it is. Oh, shit. Speed wobble. And that's how you recover from it. Welcome to naked bikes. FZ07 had it. I mean, with the S20s that I had on it before, it didn't have it really. It had me, I had it. I gotta lean back more. I'm like leaning too forward trying to wheelie the bike. That's why it's so hard. That's why it scared me a little bit when I brought it up before. But you guys didn't see that before when I brought it up because I wasn't recording. But yeah, I gotta lean back more to wheelie this thing. I'm leaning too forward. So I'll get the hang of it. It all takes time. I've only had this bike for maybe like a month. Not even really. I think I got it like August 20th or something. Like maybe a few weeks, but I finally learned my riding position was all wrong on this bike. It was like I needed to be like way more aggressive. I needed to be like way more like punched in like into it versus I think I was like too upright and like locking my bars and not wiggling enough. I don't know, I guess I was analyzing my own kind of like I never, fuck, alright, it's probably faster this way. I've never done that before. It's the fastest way around that bus stop. But yeah, I figured out that my seating position, I guess I wasn't hugging the tank enough and I wasn't sitting low enough for my elbows to be like looser. I was too upright trying to attack corners, like because on my FZ I could be more upright and attack corners in a more upright aggressive position, but since they stock handlebars, so much different. I'm still like getting the hang of it. That's why you haven't seen me gone buck wild with the bike yet, because I haven't really, this is my second bike ever. But you're really getting more comfortable with the handling, especially with the new tires on now. It feels way more grippy. But we'll test the handling out soon. The brakes though, that's one thing I want to try. That was a good one. just pull over, really. It's pointless. It's life on two wheels. I mean, I guess we could just take this time to do a walk around, right? Yeah, we could do a walk around. Might as well, while we're waiting for this corner to look. NRG, plates tucked in, kind of like legally. TST turn signals. The Mavericks GP1 exhaust, not really, kind of, it's straight piped. And then SW-MoTech, let's go! Let's get in that. Can anybody spell rain clouds? That doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad at all. I cannot believe I caught up this quickly.